Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Now, Mercedes GLS, these come with this big oversized mounting box. So let's get rid of it using our Plinth Delete kit. I'll show you how to get it done. So this is the factory box. This is our redesigned version. Same thing, just really, really small. That way you get a nice clean look, especially when we're gonna mount small signature plates. First thing, just take out all the screws that I've already done and just pull it off. Once the box is off, give it a quick clean because it'll be muddy behind it. Grab our part. You'll see that this actually molds exactly to all the contours of the car, and there's already a locator in the middle. So all you gotta do, pop that on. Now we're gonna add 2 additional mounting points. We'll just color it in with a Sharpie, drill a small hole and put a screw in it. Now that I've drilled a tiny hole, 3mm, we can put our screws in and then put your plinth straight on. But we're gonna take it a step further. Since we're doing the install, we're gonna drill it out and mount it with a nutsert. So this is the nutsert we'll be using. We need to expand that hole to a 9mm, push this in and crimp it down with our tool, and this is available on our website. Now that we've nutsered it, I can put the plinth back on, and rather than screwing it in, we can bolt it in. Now let's deal with the 2 leftover holes. In the kit, you will get 2 little rubber nut dress washers, which means you can put in what looks like a pretend parking sensor to disguise the hole. So we've got the plinth on, that's the first part. Now you need the second part, which is a bracket. So depending on what number plate style you're mounting, you would get a bracket to suit. So in this case, we're gonna install a Victorian slimline plate. So I've got the bracket that suits that size. I'm gonna attach this to the plinth using the bolts that's already there. Now that we've got the bracket on, it's time to fit on the plate. And that's how you get rid of the big oversized box using our mounting system. Just remember you need 2 parts. You need a plinth that suits the car and a bracket that suits the plate to get a nice clean floating look like this. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.